Question number 5. Write the unit vector perpendicular to both the vectors A and B. Now whenever we are given a unit vector which is perpendicular to both vectors, cross product of the two vectors upon magnitude of the cross products. So the cross product of the vectors, that is the numerator, it can be found out by solving it like this. So we had vector A as I plus j plus k and vector B as I plus j. So writing the values of A as 1, 1, 1 and B as 1, 1, 0, we solve the matrix as I into 0 minus 1 minus j into 0 minus 1 plus k into 0. We finally get minus I plus j. Now the magnitude is given by mod of A into mod of B, which gives us 1 plus 1 plus 0. So it gives us under root 2. So the unit vector here is given by the formula cross product of A and B upon magnitude of A and B, which is given by minus iota upon 2 plus j upon 2, which is the final answer. Thank you.